fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some of my latest finds from Fansells. So a big thank you to Fansells for sending the items to me. And yeah, I've got 4 canvases, and then the other thing I want to show you is this. So this is a new to me item that I had not seen before, and it is a pen, obviously, but it has a little screw top thing to force out the wax. So you twist it and the wax starts to come out. Now, I don't know if it's replaceable. It doesn't feel like it unscrews. Oh, no, this part unscrews, but I just think that makes it because it screws in there to force the wax up. But I'm twisting it here to see if I can make the wax go up a little bit. Anyway, I think, see, it's very faint, but you can see the wax is bulging out a little bit more. So, and of course you take this piece off, but, oh, there it goes. Now you can definitely see it's bulging out a little bit more. So, but I saw this and I thought this was super cool because, like I said, I don't know if you can buy replacements, but if you can, then you've got almost like a pretty placer, an unending supply of wax, so you don't have to refill your pen, which I thought would be cool. So definitely going to be trying these out and seeing how I like them. Because if you can save yourself time loading your pen, then obviously that's more time you get to spend diamond painting. So that's awesome. So I got the pink one. They came in several different colors, and this was $3.81 on their website. So yeah, I thought they were super cool, and wanted to try them. So I will try to, I think this goes the other way, try to keep it so that I can use it for maybe a whip and chat so you guys can see how it performs. So we'll see. So there's that. And then I have all these canvases. You guys, every time I go look for canvases, I'm like, oh, I need to look for stuff for my 30 by 30 challenge. So I need to look for some other larger things too, but I've been stuck on the 30 by 30s. So, ooh, this canvas is nice and thin. I like that. Okay. So let's see what we get here. We get a boat, a plate of wax, a pink pin, and we get a set of tweezers because it is a special drill kit. And ta-da! Look how pretty this thing is. It's got some puckers in it where the cover sheet doesn't quite lay flat. So let me fix that. Okay. So this is a special drill partial, 30 by 30. So let me measure and see how big it is here. 24 by 24. And yeah, I just saw this one and I thought it was really pretty. I'm still trying to figure out what kind of ratio I want to have for my 30 by 30 challenge. Going back and looking, it seems like they run me anywhere between 6 and 8 hours to finish a full drill. So realistically, I probably need to, even though I was going to try and limit it to like 5 or less, I realistically, if I want to have any real chance of finishing 30 by 30s in September, probably need to up that number to something like a third of the drill. So somewhere between 5 and 10 is probably more realistic, but we'll see. I'm still thinking on it. Because like I said, I want to make it achievable, but I don't want to make it too easy either. Okay, so let's look at our drills here. We've got 12 drills. We have a schematic on both sides, which is nice. And we've got the DMC codes here, which they're not really DMC codes. They're the crystal codes, the special drill codes. So does anyone have a listing of the special drill codes? I wonder what those would be. Anyway, So here we go. We've got crystals. So we've got this kind of pale pink. And then we've got 2 bags of green. We've got an orange crystal. We've got a round black AB. That's gorgeous. And then we've got a yellow round special drill, like a pale purple teardrop, very small, the orange iridescent teardrops, some purple iridescent teardrops, these are kind of purple blue. These are more like purple pink marquee shaped. Some green iridescent rounds, some very large just plain green rounds, and some very large blue iridescent rounds. So lots of pretty colors in here. I'm actually pretty surprised by that. And the AB, I didn't expect that, so that's a nice surprise. Figure out how these all fold up back in here so I can put them back in the bag. Trying to keep everything kind of together so that I can go through and figure out what I want to do when I get to the 30 by 30 challenge. So this is a contender. Oh, and this one was $3.76. So there's that one. And then let me just grab one. See which one I want to open next. What's in this one? Oh, this is another one. Ooh, this canvas is super thin and easy to roll. That's nice. Okay, so we get standard kit, boat plate of wax, pink pen. We do have rhinestones and some special drills. And it's another, well, sort of a mandala, but it looks more like a snowflake with the design. So we do have a schematic on both sides. It's nice and sticky. And it's a 30 by 30, so let me measure. It is 24, I'm going to guess by 24, yes. Okay, so only 10 drills. This one does not have the symbol, or I mean the codes on it, but that's okay. So let's open the drills and look at this one. Okay, so only 10 colors, like I said. So we've got clear, we've got this very pale blue, a deep blue, a deep purple, a pale purple, ooh, a red, slightly larger round. Oh, those are pretty. Some iridescent purple teardrop shapes. Not seen those before, I don't think. Some iridescent green, purple iridescent teardrops. Some pink, purple, blue iridescent teardrops. And then some of these kind of turquoise marquee cut slivers. So those are all pretty. Love those colors. So yeah, I thought this one would be a fun one, again, to do just kind of something quick, easy finish. So, and I've been working on such large projects, kind of jonesing to do something quick. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so there's that one. And oh, that one was $3.76 as well. So let me open this one and see what's in here. Oh, again, this canvas is kind of thin. It's not as thin as the snowflake, but it is pretty thin. Ooh, the drills come in baggies. People will love that. So, boat plate of wax, pink pen for that kit. And this one, oops, let me put it right side up. It's just this cute little I love you pattern. And I was just looking for something simple. And it looked like it's not a lot of white background. However, it does have the eye symbol for the white, which I love. So that's awesome. So it is a 30 by 30. So let's measure. It is 24.5 by 24.5. And we get 19 colors, which is actually way more than I thought it would have. No, I thought it'd have maybe 10, but it has way more than that. So 19 colors. We do have a schematic on both sides. It does have the DMC codes, which is awesome. It is nice and sticky. And the drills come in baggies, so that's amazing. I know there's lots of you out there who love just to work from baggies. I, unfortunately, am not one of them. I will spend time kitting it up, but maybe this would be one I could test using my trays. There's only 19 colors and I've got 16 slots. That would be close. Okay, so let's start here. Oh, I'm losing some drills. Okay, hope I don't have a hole in the bag here. I do have a hole in that bag. Okay, so let me fold that over so I don't lose anything. So that's like a very deep purple. What else have I got in here? We've got, get these runaway drills. Ooh, this bag has a hole in it too. So let me roll that one up. This is black. So let me put both of those in there so I don't lose anything else out of them. Okay. Then we've got a bunch of reds. So we've got this red. Oh my gosh, that one has a hole in it too. And that one. And that one. You guys, I'm going to need to tape all these up. I think they put the holes in there so that air can escape, so that like static doesn't build up. But like it shouldn't be big enough for the drills to escape. It's not that large, but we'll see. Okay, so there's another red. There's kind of a coral color. There is my 666 that I love so much. There's kind of a dusky pink. There is another pale pink. Ooh, a very bright red. A very pale pink. That is a gray. And another kind of almost brick red. Put these in here so I'm not losing anything. And then we have kind of a peachy orange, a very bright pink, like a berry pink, a slightly paler berry pink. It's almost like a mauve color, a darker mauve, and a gray. So yeah, lots more colors than I would have expected to find in this particular canvas. So that's cool. Okay, so there's that one. Oh, and that one was listed at $3.81. And let's look at this one. If I can get it open. Okay, and this one, oh, get it rolling the other direction. This one I just thought was really cute. Okay, so for this one, we get standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen, and then we get this little cutie pie. I'm not usually big on bugs. I'm not a fan of bugs in general, but ladybugs are cute. One of the few bugs I don't mind if they crawl on me. Most other bugs I scream and run like a little girl, but ladybugs I don't mind. Okay, so ladybug on some leaves here with some little dewdrops, and it does have a white background, which is not thrilling, but it is the eye symbol, so that's good. So this is also a 30 by 30, so let's measure. It is almost 25 by almost 25, 24 3/4. Okay, and only 15 colors in this one, but we do have a schematic on both sides, and they do have the DMC code, so that's great. No DMC codes on the drills themselves, and no DMC codes on the I Love You one either, but that's okay. At least we have them on the canvas, so I know what they are. And it is nice and sticky. Probably would get out ruler a ruler to diamond paint these kind of big sections of white, just so I could make sure that all my drills were kind of lined up, since that is such a big section. And then let's see here, what colors do we have? We've got 15 colors. So let me find the end here. All right. So I actually don't see a lot of dimples at all. And the drills look good. Okay, so we've got this kind of pale green, black, which for a ladybug, there's really not that much black in it, which is surprising. A very pale green, a gray, a red, of course, a dark green, a very bright green, a very vibrant red. I got a very dark forest green, kind of an orangey red, a brick red, a green, a little bit lighter green, some very pale purple, and then 3 bags of white, which will be obviously for the background. So yeah, super cool. Let me figure out how these fold up again. You guys, I swear, like I said, I spend more time figuring out how to fold these back up so they'll go in the packaging than is normal, probably. Okay, get this back open because it's gone shut. Get them back in there. Okay, so, oh, and this one was listed at $3.76. So there you go. More candidates for my 30 by 30 challenge. So just to recap, we've got the ladybug. We've got the I Love You canvas. We've got this very pretty kind of wintry snowflake mandala. And then we've got this kind of very vibrantly green mandala. And yeah, oh, and my cool new wax pen that I'm going to be trying out. So there you go, guys. All things you can find at Fansells. And as always, I will put links in the description below so that you can check them out for yourself and or see what other goodies might catch your eye. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.